Are you too close to something? We often are. And we often aren't in the position to be the sacred observer of our own life. We need to step outside. When you're sensing that you are too close to something, what's actually happening is you lack perspective. And this creates complication and underperformance. You need to observe the situation in a new and enlightened way. And the Oracle of the Lake card that shows us this is the Soar card. I could leave it like that, but it gives you that perspective of rising above to focus on expanding your horizons, right? This card shows up when that lack of perspective is really clear and you can't see the forest for the tree, so to speak. It's asking you to do exactly that, become the sacred observer and rise above the situation and see without judgment, overthinking, or overcomplicating things what is actually the truth of what is happening. So you shift. It's an air card after all. Lots of air in the soreness of this, right? The soaringness of this. It's asking you to shift your mindset from linearness of the human experience to profound perception. And when we do, we go from negative thought patterns that limit us to positive and abundant thinking of greater perspective and greater opportunities, which then allows you to have an abundant mindset that helps you to manifest your dreams. It really isn't hard. It takes a deep breath, air in, air out, so that you can realign and look with new and fresh perspective. This description below will actually help you soar above. So we'll exploring the link that's there for more insights and information into the Oracle of the Lake deck for greater support for you. And I'll see you in the next card.